In this video I will walk you through a detailed comparison of the Shark TurboBlade fan to see how it stands up against traditional cooling options. When looking at this bladeless model versus standard pedestal fans, the aesthetic contrast is immediately clear. The TurboBlade offers a sleek, modern tall ring design, available in both black and white finishes, which gives it a significant edge for those prioritizing home decor. Unlike bladed fans that can be difficult to clean and a bit of a safety hazard for pets or children, this bladeless technology provides a smooth, consistent airflow without the buffeting effect of rotating blades. A standout feature here is the vertical airflow control and the beam tilt function, which allows you to precision target where the air goes. While some might miss the raw power of large industrial blades, the trade-off is a much quieter operation and a focused air blade that travels further into the room. It also comes with a dedicated remote control, adding a layer of convenience that manual fans lack. If you are looking for a high-tech cooling solution that blends into a contemporary living space, this is a winning choice, though traditional fans might still win on price point for basic utility. Overall, the Shark TurboBlade is a premium option for safety-conscious and design-focused users. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech and appliance reviews. Let me know in the comments if you prefer bladeless or traditional fans for your home.